Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the lighting of this particular exhibition stall over here. So I'll just go over here and let's see the render over here first. So we'll just render it once and see how it's going to look like. Now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll again go into this and let's just mirror this. So I'll mirror it, copy it in x-axis. I'll just place it over here and I'll rotate it slightly, just push it in this way. I'll put it over here and let's again render and see how it's looking. So we have already assigned some materials over here accordingly. So again I'll go over here and now let's go into rendering, go into render setup, and we'll do some render settings over here. I'll go into this and I'll set it as Catmull room. I'll go into this, I'll reduce the noise threshold to 0.001 over here as well. Local subdivisions, I'll lock the noise pattern, and minimum subdivisions I'll increase it to 5 over here, and maximum I'll keep it as 30. Let's go over here. I'm not activating the GI environment, so if activated, it's going to increase it, the GI over here. That's the Global Illumination. So I'll set it as HSV exponential. Alright. So primary engine, will keep it as a redance map. That's for the light bounce over here, primary and secondary. So I'll go over here. I'll just increase it over here. That's the interpolate samples. Light cache, I'll slightly increase it over here. And let's again go into this and let's render it once and see how it's going to look like. So although it's totally white, we can change the light color as well. We can go with the temperature as well. So we can use the temperature if needed. We can change the temperature of the light accordingly. I think let me see if the material is okay. It's not applied, so let's apply. I'll go into the material editor and I'll just apply the glass material to it over here, and again I'll render it once and see how it's going to look like. Much better. Now what we can do over here is like okay, let's again go over here, and if you want to view the reference, I can go into this and I'll just open a reference file over here, what we are creating. So you can just take a reference file. Alright. So go into rendering, go into environment, and slightly I'll make it a bit more darker. Again, go into the camera view. Let's render it once again. So if you want, we can make the background a bit darker according to your needs. So that can be done. Alright. Alright. So we can just render it once and see. So if you want to increase the IS lights, that can be increased, and slightly I'll just take I'll go to the top view. I'll take the copy of it. Let's just place it over here, drag it in this way, and let's again go into the camera view and let's render it once again. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So we'll just render it. We can render the ambient occlusion as well over here accordingly. Alright. So thanks for watching this tutorial.